This is the first principle in our divinities.
Okay.
Insika. Umlenze munye. Now,
This is
now,
with
the one who came out of the ground and supported the heavens and commanded the earth.
mhlambe yiko ukudabuka ohlangene lokho.
That what in the bed.
That break.
Exactly.
Ngibona leyo yinto ukuthi ngathi sibuyela kuyona.
Now, dabuka ehlangene.
Onobukhubulwane la.
Uwanomkhubulwane.
Ayiniqedile
This is the first principle. The one who came out of nothing and supported the heavens. And the heavens, he too. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ngale. Ithunywa zikamenzi. Which are the pillars? Zamagumbi omane omhlaba. Which are the 9 principles of humanity.
Right.
Your name, your body, your shadow, your spirit, your soul, your heart. These are your mind and your brain.
Or ingqondo nobuchopho. Ngoba
Zihlukile.
zihlukile
All of us have a physical and a non-physical aspect.
Right.
So the mind is the non-physical aspect of the brain, which is a physical matter.
So just this principle is Bantu cosmology.
Wow.
And it all comes from the central furnace.
Right.
Ezi.
Lily.
So this is female, this is masculine. So together they create Ikaya.
Because iziko lihleli lisondele.
Nakho.
I never thought of iziko as feminine.
Iziko kula umama phahla khona. Mama kaphahla emsamo. Ngiyabona manje izangoma yazi zitshela abantu amanga. Hayi kumele uyophahla emsamo. Sekuya nesangoma umama uyophahla umama uphahla eziko.
That's where the feminine
energy is. Gogo balapha.
And energy will be concentrated.
Just to, because, I mean, one would have to consider all of these erasure projects, of course, that leave us not having a place for this kind of literature. Because this is literature now.
In action.
Yeah, it's in motion.
Literature in motion. Yeah. Every principle we born.
Yeah.
Oh, but this is why. Now
I would like to speak about that actually in Indaba.
All these principles.
Yeah.
Zibuya ngeqiniso insika ekhaya. So we can teach all these principles visually. And this is the cosmic science of our ancestors.
Right.
That we need now to give it to the world.
Kahle.
Because our ancestors were never concerned about black and white politics.
Right.
As long as we are going to stick with black and white politics, when are we going to teach these things?
Right.
If we can, if we're going to put it loosely, mfuna senze isonto lesintu, the temple of isintu.
It's a very urgent project. Very super urgent. some years ago bengizama explore indaba yomthandazo nayo emkhathini. Sibheka indaba yomthandazo wesintu ukuthi uthini. Sibheke nalento ka-Amen ukuthi how it troubles us, the idea of an end, and how umthandazo wesintu is ongoing.
Ayipheli.
No, awupheli.
Ukungena
Nengoma
kwami
yabo.
ngiyindoda, ukungena emlonyeni asikisi. Yindlu kamama le.
Right.
Ngiyindodana.
Right.
Ngingena la endlini kamama. Kufika ngithi. Ngithandazile ngiqedile. I didn't say anything. First of all, it's going to be shocking for the people here to see me ngene endlini kamama. Ngoba kusinto ejwayelekile indlu kamama neyintombi zala ekhaya. Mina manginenkinga kumele ngene lapha.
Yeah.
Kodwa namhlanje ngingene la. Mabangilandela bafika bangithola ngime ngibamba insika ngibheke phansi.
Usuyiqede yonke indaba.
Nomama omelapha sekabonile ukuthi umntwana wami unenkinga uyakhala. Uyajika uthi ayini. Ngingamphazamisa. Ukuphuma kwami la. Umama ngifike ngihlelele lapha ngehewu or ngani. Phuza la mntanami, baba phuza la. Kwenze njani? Hayi mama, kanje nakade hayi. Khuluma nobaba wakho umtshele ukuthi izolunga leyo nto. Awuphendulwa ngumthandazi wakho.
Hey, these concepts are so advanced.
Awuphenduleka ngumthandazi wakho. Awukhuluma. Usalindele iTelecom ezosuka somewhere.
I guess that's where
So that you can bend
whiteness
something.
becomes problematic. By way, I mean, I hear and I agree with your concept of transcending race. But the challenge with that is that we at the back of all of these problems where the concept of divinity in itself is corrupt. So if abelumbi nabo bafika bangayenza lezi zinto abazenzile, I guess maybe we'll have a different conversation.
But nalaba bafika, we must be in agreement that it was a portion,
Right. Of not an entire
not an entire race.
Yeah.
It was a specific portion that started. First of all, the witch hunts started amongst themselves within a European context.
Yeah.
They killed each other for not believing in each other's religion. Bona bodwa.
Right.
And it was the portion that was called Christianity that forced itself to everybody else.
Right, it's true.
Now we cannot blame the entire
Yeah.
race for a group of Christians.
Ngiyakuzwa. Bebezothini kambe what's the word go with it? Like a group that stems out
Aha,
engabusisiwe
exactly.
ephuma ebandleni kodwa
Ama
iphuma
heretic.
ingena zibusisi.
Yeah. It's a breakaway.
Yeah.
So it's only the issue is with the Christians. And now the issue is not even with the Christians. The issue is with the founders of Christianity. Because the Christians are only believing in something they were fed. They don't actually know the intentions behind Christianity. This is why today, if you can look at Christianity, it's everyone else except the white people who are so serious about it. Tina's now in a uniform. Sinamaculo. We even have Christian churches
It's Jovi.
in our own way. Oh, Zion, no Apostoli,
it's Jovi.
oh, Jericho, yonke le.
It's jovial.
You understand? Abelungu, they are still Catholic. And then no, I'm Catholic, na Rosarian. But you'll never see him in church. But yeah, now I know I'm Anglican. No, we are Methodist, but you'll never see that person in church. Tina sees now in the uniform, la Winchester la. Monday. There is a Methodist church. From 8 to 11, it's a white service. White people there, 1 hour, 30 minutes, finish. By 11 o'clock akusenamuntu esontweni. Bahambe bonke. 11 o'clock to 3 o'clock. From 9 to 11. By 11 o'clock, there's no one in church. From 11 to 3 o'clock, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. It's a black service. Red and white, like red, black and white. Just 30 minutes ago, the same congregation was here. It was different colors. No mama bamajini nama tracksuit yabona ukuthi dalo uvele wafaka ishoti yakhe wa push in othi ngesontweni. And then just 30 minutes later, a whole congregation of red and white and black, suits and on.
Itina
man. Izodonsa 4 hours. Abelungu, the same Methodists, were there for an hour, 30 minutes at most. Tina Slelele 5 hours. Slelele and Tina 5 hours. So the problem is Christianity. It's not race. The problem is religion.
Yeah, the problem is religion.
Because to say white people have no culture, we are lying.
Yeah.
We are lying. Abana masiko kanjani. Now Queen Elizabeth kuhambe imbuzi phambi kwebox yakhe makayongcwatsha. Iyokwenziwa le mbuzi ngoba ihlatshiwe. Now King Charles nge-inauguration kuhambe imbuzi makangena eBuckingham Palace phambi kwakhe. Yenzani le mbuzi? Akusiyo imbuzi yakhipha umama wakhe. Iphinde ifake enye inkosi futhi. Ayima kuthina kanti asikhaphi umuntu ngembuzi. Siphinde simbuyise ngembuzi. Uhlukephi? Uhlukephi?
Ukuthi ukungazi our own way of doing things. Because then if you knew it, you'd be able to recognize it. Oh,
benza
le nto. You know, and yeah.
Ukungazi isiko lakini angeke ukwazi ukurecognize omunye umuntu wenza lakini.
Yeah, no, that's very true.
But what do you have as a template that you see?
Your understanding yakho
uyibase so sizozwa manje with the melanin superiority complex. No, we are the melanated people. We are the special people with melanin and but what lacks melanin in this world? Melanin la kulo mhlaba esiphila kuwo. Ikhona biologically, scientifically ayikho. Everything is carbon based. Dogs are carbon based. Trees are carbon based. Rats are carbon based. Butterflies, mosquitoes are carbon based, including white people. So sizobanga carbon content. Who has more carbon and who has less? Let's debate it amongst ourselves first. He has more carbon than all of us here. So is he closer to God than us? He's darker than all of us. So he's closer to God.
Ekhuphula ngisho ngathi uNkulunkulu wasemangozi. Yena ke. uNkulunkulu kaTembe.
uNkulunkulu kaTembe. Umabudu. Mabudu we!
Khehla. Lana ke qala ke almost in connection. But would then be Sandra Zapa. So between them, they share the responsibility. Yeah, lo mama lona ke uyakwazi ukuthi khona abakhona la ekhaya noma abahamba la ekhaya abadinga indawo kahle. Umama lapho umuntu awumfake lapho. Yeah, exactly. So
And then it is my Kuluma. That house is built like this house ngohlala. Unomkhubulwane.
same design.
Unomkhubulwane lo nomholi.
Insika ayikho man.
Ah, mara la kunansika. Unomholi akanansika unomholi.
Unomholi emsebenzani ngomfula.
Unomholi usebenza ngemizwa, sensuality nokugcina ikhaya limnandi. So akanansika ngoba yena ngoba uwelcome wonke umuntu. Unomkhubulwane
Umehluko
Yeah.
unomholi intombi yala
one
ekhaya.
is
intombi
Emeli ekhaya.
Right.
Unomkhubulwane. Unomkhubulwane intombi emeli ekhaya. Intombi yomuzi.
Right.
Unomholi intombi yala ekhaya. Kunentombi emeli ekhaya, kunentombi yala ekhaya.
So the other one is more domestic.
More domesticated. Yeah, so akanansika yena ngoba kunokungena nabanye abantu labazomsiza benze.
Right.
But lapha kungena bekhaya. Yena uthola icommand la.
Right. Nomholi. Okay.
So singasho sithi uMvelincane nomkhubulwane uma nomholi.
so we have to take through then to also all of this comes from the forest around us. So on top of that, Baba Befune also display to young black men that you don't need to be a rich man to found a house. Wow. We're also keeping true in the different ways. Also to display the different ways that a man can use what he has, his hands and his mind.
Konke lokhu kuthathwa la. La plaza.
Kwakhiwa yithi ngezandla khona la ekhaya.
Wow.
Ngingeke ngoba ke silabantu ke abangayisabi incwadi.
Yeah.
Some of it is from research. Some of it
course.
is from a memory that we don't remember when.
Yeah, go.
Yeah. Plastic direct. That's the grass. Yeah. So I'm gonna.
Konke lokhu siyazenzela.
La yazi ngine space
Time travel.
njengoba ngila sengibona ngine space lapha ekhaya eThekwini kunehlathi siqeda ukusuka siphuma eEast London nakhona besinehlathi njalo masithola umuzi uba nehlathi and I've never known what to do with that. Yabona manje likhulu manje lapha eThekwini ngemuva. And nginamadodana so mangibuya
bangeneke.
So mangibuya kufanele izinsizwa sibhunge le ndaba.
Yeah.
How about we expand this concept khona lapha?
Ngicabanga leyo yinto nivele sizoyi implementa straight.
And then kube into
Ibe njalo ibe nje ubinje. That would be amazing.
Kube the same thing nale. Same thing.
Because ngicabanga issue symbolism. Ukuthi it creates a fatigue ukuthi ingane sizama ukuyifundisa incwadi echaza lezi zinto. Lezi zinto zifuna uba emotion. Ukuthi azi mayingena lapha this is what's happening. Because mawumise encwadini ingqondo yakhe iyashintsha. Yeah. Ingqondo imile but you're trying to acquire information. I think that's a challenge.
Time traveling.
There has to be motion. There has to be motion. It has to be practical. You have to feel it.
Yeah. Practical. Yeah.
Wenuke.
Yeah, injalo.
Yabona njengefloor le. This is 3 different types of soil. Phezulu umgquba.
Right. Oblong. Yeah.
To make it hard and water resistant. But these are technologies ezasetshenziswa okhokho.
zindala kakhulu.
kanti umntwana yabona lapha every day she's here size simbiza supervisor yethu
No, ngiyambona impela uyayihlola.
yeah awuze yanitshela
Ama
ukuthi
measurements.
akwenzwanga kahle lapha
Ama
lungisani
measurements.
lapha ya because now
ngiyambona
it means ukhula nayo lento
ukhula naye.
and this is the most important book in the world.
Yeah.
Now the idea was, the dream was, if we can have this even in different places, perfect.
No,
Zikhulumane.
no, unkosikazi, because they are satellites.
Yeah,
Uyabona manje
zikhulumane.
sesokwazi ukukhuluma ngazo.
Yizwa
Sithumela imessage.
nakho
Isithunyelwa ngazo.
abantu abasuka la siyabafaka ebhasini siyale
Yeah.
same
Ifike
thing. Yeah.
Wow.
Abasuka le siyabathatha beza ngapha same thing, and then we can do all these culture tours that we want to do.
Kusho kufanele ziqale nje zonke lezi.
Kumele iqale ekhaya.
And I think that, puts us away from the violence of the exhibition. Mama ingekho endlini siyakhonjiswa sizoyibuka. Kanti mayisekhaya usekhaya experience ikhaya.
Exactly. And this is the one thing that is needed. Ezingiyibonile mina ngihleli ngahlala. I've been doing this since nini konje mkhanya manje umsebenzi. I started the institution abaKhaliphi 2009.
Wow.
But I've been doing this work since early 2003, 2004.
Uyobamba 20 years usudlulile.
Sengidlulile. I started at Free State. Yeah. My first students lapho bekuse Free State, and then moved to Mpumalanga 2003-4. But in all these years, ngiloko ngiyabheka, ngiyafunda, ngiyabuka, ngiyabona, ngiyacompare. I don't want to lie, this thing, African spirituality, sekale yathi manje aba fashion. 5 years ago,
was not.
Nobody was talking
No,
about
it
it.
was not.
And
I mean, it's all the work that you guys have been doing. Truly. I mean, it's
the sad thing is, nobody will tell you why now.
right.
Nobody will tell you why now. All these people are speaking about African spirituality.
Right.
All of them had contacts with my students. For years, I've been
So it's a movement.
I've been accused of, breaking religion and turning culture upside down. And man, I've always been a bad guy, But now suddenly African spirituality is everywhere, and everybody's talking about this, and Egypt that, and I don't want to be recognized for it. Knowledge is knowledge. But here's my issue. We're taking people the wrong direction.
Right.
We are fighting another racial war in reverse. Kanti, this is not what it was about. This was about how to, I don't like the word liberating, I think about political, but how to remind them of Nyama.
Consciousness.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So this came as a solution to that. Instead of saying and speaking this, I be practical.
Yeah. Put it in action.
Yeah, in our silence, but let the work speak volumes for itself.
Precisely what I've been trying to do with the Sonic. It's, to a point where I never really say anything about it. All I say is how people could sit around the Sonic such that it starts telling stories to them. So when I educate students or whatever, or people, I don't talk about the sound, but silalela kanjani. That's my focus. And I guess because the sound, nothing can be said about it.
It speaks for itself.
Yeah, he has good man.
Same thing, we did,
Yes,
we did a trial run with the Camp Yabomam. The very first guest we had here to open this space, it was a group of women. When was it? 2-3 weeks back?
True, yeah.
Yeah. A group,
Last week of August.
Yeah, last week of August. Wow. Just the magic of the space itself.
Right.
They were all bebekhala ukuthi their wombs are being released. Ama-trauma, wama-abortion, wama-miscarriage. It just happened. Nobody pushed it. It just happened. after we told them the stories about Mama and the responsibilities and the whole setup. So Bakempa, by that night, they were all, no period pains, nothing, just womb issues. Bonke, ababa nama miscarriage, they were just womb therapy that whole night. And then I said, okay, now this is magic in practice.
And makulashwe leyo ndawo, the womb, qediwe umhlaba phela yiwo lona. Yiwo umhlaba lo. Umhlaba wokuqala. My grandmother used to say that. Bahlonipha abantu besifazane baphethe umhlaba wokuqala. That is intense.
Watching that happen that night, yeah, it said to me, this is where it must go. Ingakhuluma. Faka abantu
ayisebenze.
Faka abantu baziphilele. Now when you say we take this, sisale,
yeah,
I'm game.
No, ngikhona mkhulu. And abafana lapha bazojabula because you know ifatigue yokuzama ukubafundisa lento inzima.
Yeah.
Mayingabonakali. Yeah, when you know architecture speaks otherwise. Kodwa sizama ukukhuluma into la endlini. Sizama ukukhuluma umsamu nawo ubonakala ukuthi awucacile ukuthi but you know
it must be there so that okay, this corner I put it there like that, this corner I put it there. Okay, do it yourself, let's see.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah,
Practical.
Yeah, it's very practical.
And then maybe one day we'll leave a legacy.
No, I think so. I'm cool. Okay.
Why abantwana bahlaliswa kuguqa bafundiswa ukuyithoba.
Oh, njalo.
So lezi ndlu lezi bizoguqa ngoba the whole practical experience of it is ukuyithoba. Ukuzithoba. So ingane zalana ke omama bazo nabo. And ingane zakhelwe amaswazi amagatsha. Maswazi because they are the offspring, they are the branches of this house. Notshani ngoba ingane kumele zibe ngangotshani. So the whole house.
Wow.
Currently slow spool. Yeah. Asingenanga-ke thina sihlokanga namhlanje.
Manje kodwa kodwa lapha ibhizi namapali. Lapha ehlathini uyakapha. Sizoqhubeka-ke. Sivale by end of next week. So bese sivalile sesibhizi.
Next week?
Yeah. No, this is 3 days. No, this is 3 days.
Le?
Yeah.
This is 3 days. Sakaula half.
This whole place is
Sakaula half.
Le ndoda la ibisebenza umbishutha kuphela.
Oh, now uyasebenza.
Ubuyibeke phansi ikamera.
We start
winter, beginning of winter.
Sorry,
Nana.
We started beginning of winter lah. Right. So we're counting from maybe June, May, yeah, June, July, August. It's only 4 months that we've done this.
I know.
Sometimes I
Umsebenzi
see-
odlula.
This na let cool definitely.
Yalibona.
Because the last thing to
Ngiyayibona.
oh mama from the first time we planted two apple trees that are more
Uyamsebenzi osibelethe.
which maybe about the issue of September.
Right.
Another class ngabankulu bekhulunywa la yonke into besazi
Yeah.
it's a court
Umthetho.
yona ke indawo ke esikhethelela specifically because bakwazi ukuthi aqhamuke ngapha omama abahambi bona bangena baqhamukele khona. Hey, so ngapha ke
Umuntu othi asinama systems kusho ukuthi umthetho wakhe ingqondo ayisebenzi.
Ingqondo ayisebenzi.
Yeah, ama systems amangaka. Technology nga.
This is all technology.
Yeah. Geometry.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Geometry is calculated.
Exactly. So abantwana benkosi bazawungena nenkosi ke
Beqhamuka
nezintombi ngena ngapha nomama obaba ke belala. But if you look at it, this is the sun with all the bodies around it. That is how we think. We think it's almost like an oscillator.
Yeah, it's the sun with all the planets around it.
And that's how
It's astrology, cosmos.
you know, the electricity, everything that is spoken around here with the unity that's happening out there creates a strong nation. Ngoba leli khehla leli hlezi la makungekho right la nasenkundleni angeke
Njalo.
So-
And nangale
nangale
angeke kube
nakhona.
right ebantwini. So abantu beza la kuyaxoxa nenkosi ixoxe ilungiswe abantu babuyele ehlizweni sizwe
Silunge
solution.
yonke.
Sekulunge konke.
Imagine ingane zethu uma zikhula kwi-crisis nje bayi-absorba nje le nto ayizi ibhake phansi bayi-absorba on the daily
La sofaka isibaya.
base konakele kunje bayazi
Bayazi ukuthi kuyiwa le.
Lana ke isibaya sethu. Sikhona sona. Yeah. Ayizona sisikhona.
manje umhlaba lo wonke owakho
Yeah. Kunemifula emibili. Ezayihlahla kunomfula.
so wena uhamba yonke le ndawo
Yonke.
uthini umlando wawo
uTF Malanda. Kwakuyiplazi lakhe leli. Yiko ke kuyibongela